Hey everybody, it's Corey with SkyShare. I wanted to take a minute and show you our mid-size Citation XL. Citation knocked it out of the park with this aircraft. It's the best-selling mid-size jet ever made, and it just does everything awesome. It's an 8-passenger cabin, really good for that 1,500 nautical mile trips, like from here in Salt Lake where we're at today, down to Cabo, anywhere on the western seaboard. You can take it all the way to the East Coast, you just have to plan a fuel stop. The Citation XL has one of the best safety records as well for a mid-size airplane. Large baggage compartment in the back, very comfortable cabin. Let's go inside and check it out. Let's check out the inside of this Citation XL. Very roomy cabin. As you walk up the main entry door, you have a 2-person divan couch to sit on, and then you have 6 full captain's chairs back here. All of the chairs will pull off the side, recline. It's a very comfortable cabin. Also, you have a fully enclosed lavatory in the back for privacy if you have to use the restroom. The Citation XL is always flown by 2 professional pilots, incredibly safe, and as I mentioned earlier, it's the best-selling mid-size jet ever with over 1,000 in production. One thing that makes SkyShare very unique is you can fly a much bigger aircraft for less money than our competitors, or you can fly a lot more for the same price as our competitors charge. And how do we do that? We do it 2 reasons. One is we use pre-owned aircraft. Even though this aircraft looks like brand new, we take a really good pre-owned aircraft, put it through a mechanical pre-purchase inspection to make sure it's very safe and a good quality aircraft, and then we put it through a refurbishment. New paint, new interior, Wi-Fi, you get all of the benefits of a new aircraft for a fraction of the price. Secondly, is we only deal with, in our fractional program, people that live in the Western 11 states. We're really narrowed in on the people that live in the Western 11 states so we can limit our repositioning so we can keep our cost of the program as affordable as possible. Let's check out the Citation XL. I believe you'll love it.